3 or do we need 4?
We need 4.
We need
No
4.
limit.
It's all up.
Shut up!
Wait, what?
How good is this thing? Because oh, you are actually.
I don't need the switchback.
The things we see are made of gold. The dreams of heaven won't be held like the worst of all.
When, where, how?
Words run still.
Why?
I wanna hide the truth. I wanna shelter you. But with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we need, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom. When you hold my hand, look into my eyes. Where my demons hide. When my demons hide.
Alright, who's our 4th on here?
Too close. It's tall up.
What's Talib's thing?
Good question, tall up. Type it in the VC chat. It's like now I have to look at 2 screens.
Do you want the rest of her balls?
Holy.
I can burp.
Ganda.
Don't look down, but down, Yo, I'm about to get hit by the meanest sludge wave of or sludge bomb of all time. Is it a tactically safe idea to blow the character? Yes.
I didn't even pay attention.
I'm still thinking not, so I'm gonna heart space. In my only resist. I use this. Holy shit.
Nope.
Why do I get I wasn't the pastor?
There it is. There's some more.
Aww.
Yep.
Oh no, never mind, it's worked. Lied. I didn't know that actually was still there.
Bless you.
Really? A mistress.
I just realized I don't have that in this conversation. Fuck. I'm sorry.
Yeah, everyone knows where the color scheme for Fluttermane came from. The shiny color scheme.
Oh, bro. Oh my god. Yo, is this sport again? Haru, quit boring me.
You're a
boring me. That's what you sound like.
Do something. Why did Gengar look so goofy in this game?
Haru, I can't kill you in one
Look, it's
turn.
just shaking his groove thing, bro.
Is Talib even here?
Solid, where are you, bro?
Oh, no, but those on this instrument. I have to go.
I cannot do nothing right now. It's crazy.
I'm almost got a homeless.
Come on in here.
Boy,
Have fun with it.
boy. This guy's on top of the strip of this. It's called a Glock with a roller clip. Wanna play with me? This bitch a hoe. Man, this top.
Also, have fun with it.
Oh, back and open. Don't gun to the open. On the strip of bitch. From the chips. Call a Glock with a clip. Wanna play with me? This bitch a hoe.
Why does that orthworm look so
Bruh, this is crazy.
Yo, one of us needs to wake up. One of us needs to wake up.
I think I wake up.
Yeah, Orthworm wakes up. For sure.
Please come and kill the Gengar. Gengar's a threat.
Sadly, no.
Staraptor to be
Nope, it's
popular.
supposed
I
Bruh.
thought you to be popular. Data please to be popular. Oh! Yo, Haru's just butchering me at this point.
Hop it your way.
This is quite bad because now I'm slower. Yeah, yep, I'm dead. Haru, quit bugging. I didn't know I was thugging. How am I still asleep?
Yay.
Yes.
Gosh. The threat, bro, my entire team just got swept by Gengar Amoon Discord. And that part is that I know it's actually Gengar.
Have fun with it.
Hey, my last mon can't touch Amoongus. Then I'll my blick in, I don't miss 2 shots I hit a minute.
Please tell me you have something to get rid of the Orthworm. Because this thing looks so goofy. Okay,
That thing
whatever
has
floats your boat, I guess.
combat.
Okay, whatever floats your boat.
Yo, I'm probably gonna get slept this turn, to be honest.
You just get rid of the Orthworm.
Yo, it might be tactically good to let Orthworm die so we get a free switch in and have a chance at killing the Amoongus.
Because the Moongus
This is
God.
my this is my Gen 2
Yeah,
Flutter main, okay? I'm not getting sport again. No, 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 no.
There we go. I don't give a shit.
You got her while I get him down. Okay. So did Babu's when he was that age.
Every bit of
Or you are all kinds of
big
messy.
man, I'm a big man. One day's around again. That this
Look at his face.
Yo, that's actually really good for us. Go to Johnny, go to Johnny. Okay, please, I am begging you, click move
Let
two.
me see your face. Let me see your face.
Click
Let me
move.
see your face.
Click move two. Click move two.
Face, you little turd. Thank you. Shouldn't have to fight you to clean your mouth. Thank you.
Oh, just with your Ulster run. This is probably Terra Grass, to be honest. I touched that thing.
He started falling back.
Like any steel flying type, I can't touch. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Walk this road to get up through the storm. Whatever weather.
Finally, you decided to take it.
Yeah,
Get
bro,
out
it's
for
so
that.
cucked. It is so cucked right now. Thank you. Thank you. I just got free coal mine. And I just got a free coal mine up. Yes. Mr. Miss is online.
Watch Corviknight actually aim for Mischievous.
I'm being honest, I probably shouldn't have terrified Mr. Miss this turn. Ooh. I am doubling the Scrappy.
Who, Driflin?
Actually, no, I'll go for Corviknight because I think that Scrafty's not sad. That's bad, yep.
Big hat, big.
Poison. Oh, I should have psychic on this
What is
thing.
he laughing about?
I have energy ball as my
Big
last
hat.
move. Oh, good damage. Oh, I eat
What
those.
is
I eat those.
I guess nobody wants to take the 4th spot in our showdown match.
Hold up, my phone turned off. Yo, bro, quick question. Can your your last one can kill Corviknight. Bro knows my moves. I can't touch a poison type. If only this thing had like.
Trust in the process.
I'll just withdraw scrap.
Oh
What?
boy. That's good.
Not terrible for me.
It's terrible for both.
Break
of them.
dash. Oh yeah, Mr. Beast just can't open damage. I forgot about that. Hey, quick
Well, that's terrible for
question.
you.
Quick question, dog. Can you kill the Corviknight?
I can't. It's a drill faster.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's
We're not going to be able to multi. Hey, Haru, you want to do a VGC battle?
I don't mind.
Oh, never mind.
Bet.
bro. I could have killed the Excadrill.
Well, now you're stuck with the Corviknight,
Yeah, bro. It's so good.
and now its defense is like.
Mirror armor. Dude.
Good job, urinating.
Yo, bro, quick question. We need that Corviknight gone, and I can't touch his last mod. It's cooked. I can't touch Haru's last mod due to it being Terra Poison, so I low-key wish I had Hex on this build. I should have put Hex on this build.
I can't even knock
Wait,
out Orca,
doesn't
to be
Mr. Beast get Earth Power? Does Mr. Beast get Earth Power?
honest. No. I don't think so. No.
Does it get any ground type?
No.
I don't understand it. Your turn. Wait, just kill Scrafty. Yo, just kill Scrafty. Hold up.
Or you can plant stuff now.
Yeah, kill Scrafty. Hold up. Yo, we win this.
No, we don't. I'm gonna get body pressed and knocked out.
It's true. But Scrafty also Okos, you know?
And that's gonna be Terra Water.
That's why we click Wild Shot.
Oh crap.
Oh! Yo, hold up! Yo, did you kill Scrafty?
I hope I do.
Oh, that's even better.
Ew. Wait, a Dondozo and no Tatsugiri?
I have Gleam?
Trust the process.
But I
and a
click
Tox Bun?
I died to a B press though, so oh wait, I eat brave birds. Ooh. That hurt. That hurt. That fucker hurt like a bitch. Talk about how Mr. Miss is still alive. Yo, if Mr. Miss is able to live hits from shit like feet and like Corviknight, I think he can handle his own in Gen 2, right?
Okay.
I was thinking about Terra Fairy on this fucker, by the way. Faster. Yo, I'm +2 Gleam. Mr. Miss did something! Hold up, was Mr. Miss the right ring to this? Hmm. Who does kill? It kills one of us. You know what you have to do.
Yeah, I should have seen that coming.
Hold up. He's not sashed, he's scarfed. If you hold one screen.
Yep, we now let's do a draw. No,
Hmm.
no, because you lost HP, so they win.
Yeah. Yo, Mr. Miz did something though.
And there we go.
So, never bring Mr. Miz to multi. But it did
Yeah,
something.
never ring it.
It was close. I wish I was
It was
scarf.
close. I'm being honest, if I didn't Sarah, you might have had a chance.